We'll take a look at the match statistics. 57% in favor of side from Goa. Possession being dominated by Sesa Football Academy. Total of 20 shots in the game, 11 of which came from Sesa Football Academy and 9 came from Karbi Anglong. Here's the highlights of the game. Action-packed game, a total of 5 goals being scored and marginally ahead were Karbi Anglong. There was not a single goal that was scored in the first half, but the second half we saw 5 goals being scored. When was the last time you saw 2 goals scored within a minute? Three of which came